Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a critical health topic that often gets overlooked: the effects of parasitic infections. These infections, primarily caused by organisms that live in or on a host, feeding off them, can lead to a surprising range of health problems. While we often associate parasites with developing countries, it's essential to remember that they can affect anyone, anywhere. If you suspect you have a parasitic infection, it's crucial to seek medical attention for proper diagnosis and treatment. Let's get started. Let's talk about something we all experience trouble with from time to time: digestion. When it's working correctly, we barely notice it, but when it's off, it can throw our whole day, or even our lives, out of whack. Now imagine microscopic invaders setting up camp in your digestive tract, causing a whole host of unpleasant symptoms. Persistent digestive problems like diarrhea, constipation, gas, bloating, and stomach cramps can be signs of a parasitic infection. These symptoms arise as parasites irritate your intestines, disrupt gut bacteria, and interfere with nutrient absorption. If you're experiencing any of these digestive issues, it's crucial not to ignore them. Persistent digestive problems could indicate a parasitic infection, especially if you've recently traveled to areas with poor sanitation. Have you noticed you're shedding pounds without any changes to your diet? Unexplained weight loss could signal underlying health issues like parasitic infections. Parasites steal your body's resources. They live off the nutrients you consume. This can lead to significant weight loss over the course of time. Consult your doctor if you experience unexplained weight loss. A balanced diet is crucial for good health, but parasites can rob you of vital nutrients, leaving you feeling drained. This is a reality for many with parasitic infections. Parasites siphon off essential vitamins and minerals. They compete with your cells, leaving you vulnerable. Iron deficiency and anemia are common consequences of a parasitic infection. Nutrient deficiencies can leave you feeling empty and deflated. Fatigue, weakness, and difficulty concentrating are common symptoms. Our blood is like a lifeline, carrying oxygen and essential nutrients to every cell in our bodies. But what happens when microscopic invaders turn our blood into their personal feeding ground? This is the harsh reality of anemia, caused by blood-sucking parasites. Certain types of parasites, like hookworms, latch onto the lining of your intestines and siphon away your precious red blood cells. Anemia, often a consequence of this parasitic bloodletting, is characterized by a deficiency of red blood cells, or hemoglobin, in the blood. You might notice yourself feeling constantly tired and weak, even after a good night's sleep. Simple tasks that you once found effortless might leave you feeling breathless and lightheaded. Our skin, the largest organ in our bodies, serves as a protective barrier against the outside world. But what happens when invaders manage to penetrate this vital barrier, wreaking havoc beneath the surface? This is the unfortunate reality for many people suffering from parasitic infections. While we often associate parasites with digestive problems, it's essential to remember that these invaders can affect various parts of the body, including our skin. One of the most common signs of a parasitic skin infection is itching, which can range from mildly annoying to utterly debilitating. Parasites can also cause rashes, characterized by red, inflamed patches of skin that may be itchy, scaly, or bumpy. The appearance of these rashes can vary depending on the type of parasite involved. We all experience fatigue from time to time, that familiar feeling of tiredness after a long day. But imagine feeling constantly drained, like your battery is perpetually stuck on low. This is the reality for many battling chronic fatigue, often due to parasitic infections. Our immune system kicks into overdrive, launching a full-scale assault. This fatigue can permeate every aspect of life, making daily tasks challenging. Our immune system is an intricate network of cells, tissues, and organs that protect us from invaders. But what happens when this defense system is compromised? parasitic infections can suppress its ability to function effectively. These invaders have evolved strategies to evade and weaken our defenses. They release substances that interfere with immune cells. Parasites also change their surface proteins, making it hard for our immune system to recognize them. Our nervous system is the command center of our bodies, transmitting signals between the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of the body. What happens when microscopic invaders breach this vital system, disrupting our neurological pathways? Certain parasites can invade our nervous system, causing neurological symptoms. Neurocystic urcosis, caused by the pork tapeworm, forms brain cysts, leading to seizures. Other parasites cause meningitis, encephalitis, and nerve damage. Our respiratory system, the intricate network of organs responsible for taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide, is essential for life. But what happens when microscopic invaders infiltrate this vital system, disrupting the delicate balance of our breathing? Some parasites have a particular affinity for the lungs, leading to a range of respiratory issues that can range from mildly annoying to life-threatening. Certain parasites, like the roundworm Ascaris lumbricoides, have a complex life cycle that involves migrating through the body, including a detour through the lungs. During this lung migration, the parasites can cause inflammation and irritation, leading to symptoms like coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Another way parasites can affect our breathing is by triggering allergic reactions in the respiratory tract, causing asthma-like symptoms. Our joints and muscles work in perfect harmony, allowing us to move freely, engage in physical activities, and live our lives to the fullest. But what happens when these vital structures become the target of microscopic invaders, leading to pain, stiffness, and discomfort? Parasites can cause joint and muscle pain through various mechanisms. Some parasites, like the trichinella parasite responsible for trichinosis, can migrate through the body and lodge themselves in muscle tissue, causing inflammation, pain, and tenderness. Another way parasites can cause joint and muscle pain is through the immune system's response to the infection, releasing inflammatory chemicals that cause pain, swelling, and stiffness. This type of pain, known as reactive arthritis, is a common complication of certain parasitic infections, particularly those that affect the digestive system. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring the many ways parasitic infections can impact our health. From digestive issues and nutrient deficiencies, to skin problems, chronic fatigue, and even neurological symptoms, the effects of these often overlooked infections can be far-reaching and debilitating. Remember, good hygiene, safe food practices, and avoiding contaminated water can help prevent many parasitic infections. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, especially before eating and after using the restroom. If you suspect you may have a parasitic infection, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial for preventing complications and restoring your health. Until next time, take care of yourself.